Hey guys, happy Saturday. I am sorry I did not record earlier, but we have been kind of rushing all day. We went to football games and we went to the movies and all of that, but now we're going out to dinner and I'm like, oh my goodness, I forgot about y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm looking a little different from yesterday. I changed my hair. Yes, we're going to dinner. Tony, you want to get my... We're going to dinner tonight. We're just gonna go hang out at this restaurant on the beach. So this is me. Okay. All right. All right, so change of plans. We did not go to the beach because he did not want to go to the beach. I told him it's his birthday weekend, so whatever he wants is what he gets. So we are at a restaurant called River and Post. So it's on the river. Right now we're going up to the rooftop lounge. So we are here on the rooftop. And this is the river over here, but I know y'all can barely see that, but it's so nice and it feels so nice out here. Guys, we actually already sat down and had our appetizers. This was a lobster bisque chowder, and Antonio had what was that? What was that called?
Fish dip.
Some type of fish dip. It was pretty good. So we're just waiting on our food right now. Dinner's here. It looks good. Antonio got a red snapper. I just got some fried shrimp and oysters, honey. We're gonna keep it all the way black. Ooh, looky. Oh, he's on the phone, y'all. Fat Daddy done called. I think my mama is asking about Fat Daddy because he got. There I am. He got bit on the eye by an ant and his eye swelled up. So she's trying to give him some Benadryl. So he all right? It's just still swole.
And she just wanted to know about having gave him some Benadryl.
Look at this, guys. Banana split. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Really? Talking about my girl, my Happy birthday.
Birthday to me.
That was good.
That red snapper was really good. They fried that like to perfection.
Now that food was so good. I'm sorry if the camera keep fogging up. It was
cold in the restaurant.
Yeah. Yes, it was really cold in there, but that was real good. It was really good. Everything was good, and the people in there was lit. Super lit. Hold my hand. I don't want to fall. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I just got back home from church, and we have a barbecue today at my mom's house at 2 o'clock. It is, what time is it now? Like almost 12. So in a couple of hours. So I'm just going to kind of straighten up the house real quick before we go. Any of y'all like me, y'all don't like to come home to a dirty house. I hate it. So we're gonna go ahead, or I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the kitchen and my room. I'm actually, oh, sorry about the light. I'm actually kind of like still tired from last night, but it is what it is. So Antonio's here. Antonio, tell everybody why you didn't go to church. What you was doing?
In bed.
And
what?
And where you just coming from?
The store.
Nah.
I was at the store.
Where you coming from, Antonio?
The store.
Antonio.
You just assumed I was fishing.
Antonio, you didn't go fishing.
Nope.
What?
You assumed I went fishing. That's what get for a store.
What store you went to?
Walmart.
What you bought?
I was looking for the pump.
I can't see you.
I was looking for the pump on sprayer.
Get that out your mouth. Look at me when you tell me lies. Look at me straight in my face when you tell me lies.
I was looking for a pump up sprayer.
Lies.
That's a lie? Okay.
So you didn't go to fishing? You didn't go nowhere near any fishing
Do
holes?
I smell like fish?
Huh?
Smell me.
Did you go crabbing?
No.
Antonio skipped church, y'all, so he go fishing. I don't want that.
I'm going fishing tomorrow.
You going to work tomorrow?
Tomorrow Monday, we off.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
So I'm saving fishing for tomorrow. So she assumed I was going fishing. No, ma'am, not today. If I go fishing, I go early.
Antonio, whatever. You lying to me straight to my face. You went trying to catch crab. What you put in the freezer when you came in? Oh my goodness, this is such a liar. Antonio, what you put in the freezer?
Oh,
I
juice.
see. That juice is frozen. No. Move, because I know you be lying. Oh, what we got, Tom? What's this?
That's my shrimp for tomorrow.
So,
You gotta get it early.
so you went to go pick up bait?
Yep.
But you trying to get me to believe you ain't had nothing to do with fishing, even with your fishing shirt on and everything? What?
Her, I like it well.
Oh my goodness.
You assumed I went fishing.
This man be lying, y'all.
And juice frozen.
That juice so frozen. So you tried to make it like, so you really tried to make it like you went and it had nothing to do with fishing.
No.
Yes,
I just went and picked up bait, so I won't have to pick it up early in the morning. Cause they be closed early in the morning.
Let's go look at the back of your truck.
Booyah!
We finna go look at the back of his truck. See. Look at this, y'all. This is the back of his truck. Why he got his fishing poles on the truck? Why?
What?
Why your fishing poles on the truck, Tonio?
I keep them in the truck.
Tonio, no you don't. You took them off when we
Boo.
did that last job.
I took them off and I put them where? Where did I have them at?
Tonio,
At
you
my
busted.
job.
Tonio, you are busted.
I had them in the
You are busted,
I had
sir.
them in my job.
You are busted,
And then I
sir.
got them out the job because I knew I was going fishing Monday.
You, sir,
Okay.
are busted.
You
Busted.
Cool? How am I going fish with no cooler, no ice? Boom.
Busted. Tonio went
Wow.
fishing. Tonio went fishing.
I did not go fishing.
Tonio, you went fishing.
Smell my fingers.
No!
Don't smell like fish.
Now, I need y'all to help me decide. Which pair of shades to wear. So first we have these. These, honey, are these. And y'all have seen these 1,000 times, my keys, but I love these. Oh, full mirror on you. Which one? Went with these. Look, do you be like, why do I even ask your opinion when I always do the opposite?
I'm used to it now.
I wasn't feeling the cat eye on those. But these, I'm feeling. Alright guys, we're here. Let's go see Fat Daddy. Fat Daddy, he's been at my mom's house since yesterday. We dropped him off over here. So. Oh, and we stopped and got some broiled shrimp. So good.
Yes, got here first.
Hi!
Hi, what's there?
Christian! Where's the light? Hey! Wait, where you?
You wanna go brush his teeth?
Oh, I thought he might have missed me. Hey, Fat!
I told him he can take
Let me
his
see your
teeth
eye.
home.
Oh, it's still swole.
So y'all gonna come do y'all remedy? Yeah, why you just rub your eye? You gonna rub it?
What we got to eat? Where's Mr. Jerome? Where's Mr. Jerome? He out there? Where he at? Look at the back. Look at the patio, y'all. It still looks so good. Did y'all watch the video when I redid their patio for them? If you have not, I will link it down below. But yeah, we redid this patio a couple months ago, and they said that they are loving it. But I will leave a link down below so y'all can see the before and after, baby. Before, that thing needed some help, honey, and we came and helped it. How much do you love me?
I love you enough to cook ribs today.
Wait a minute. But you gonna love me even more in a second.
What is this for?
Come
Oh
on.
Lord, and she put us on the TV again.
She said you gonna love me. She ain't said nothing about me gonna love her, because I sure don't love her for what she did.
Open that.
Yeah, I love you. I love her, y'all. I'm so in love with you.
She brought nothing for me.
My mama cannot eat shrimp. Sorry, honey.
You're so sweet. Where you get this from?
King crawl. Oh, y'all.
Is it sausage?
Yeah, it's sausage and corn and egg in there.
I just have
But when I tell y'all this sauce is so good, the King Cross sauce,
Oh, it look like I need to take a next image. Matter of fact, let me take one right now.
is so good. I don't think y'all have met my niece yet. This is Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Mama, look. She looking like she really don't want to be bothered with you. Say, Grammy, get off of me, Grammy. Oh, that's Zoe. She'll be 4 months on the 10th.
Yeah.
And look, we actually, everybody ate. Oh, everybody's here. Say hi. And we ate, but it does not look like we ate anything because Mama decided to make 10 slabs of ribs for 4 people. No, I gotta feed the boys.
My grandbaby. I did it because
I gotta.
First of all, KJ can eat McDonald's.
I did it because
KJ don't want McDonald's. KJ does not want McDonald's. He wants
These, please.
ribs. They ate in full. Now they sitting around about to watch Power.
Honey, we watching Power. You want to watch?
I'm not ready to watch it yet.
Babe, what you say?
Go. Where he came from?
I don't know.
Y'all, is a whole rabbit in the backyard.
Yeah.
Ma, he gotta belong to somebody.
Oh, I hope he can't get out and he stay back here forever.
Where did he come from?
Somebody pet.
That's somebody's pet.
That's snake food.
Out.
Yeah.
Mama, you probably need to ask her. That it seemed like it probably would belong to her.
I'll go
He
next
had to come
door.
through the fence.
Had to.
I'll go next door.